કેમ છો? હું ચિરંતના ભટ્ટ, એડિટર ગુજરાતી મીડિયા ડિજિટલ, તમારા સૌનું ખૂબ ખૂબ સ્વાગત કરું છું. તમારા સૌનું જે બધા અહીંયા થોડી વારમાં જોડાશો. આજે આપણે મળવાના છીએ ક્રિશ પાઠકને. ક્રિશ પાઠક એક એવો ઉભરતો અભિનેતા છે, એક્ટર છે, જે બહુ જ ગુડ લુકિંગ છે અને એને રામ, સીતા અને લક્ષ્મણ ત્રણેયના આશીર્વાદ મળેલા છે. સો હવે હું હિન્દીમાં સ્વિચ કરી દઉં છું બિકોઝ ક્રિશની સાથે આપણે હિન્દીમાં વાત કરવાની છે. હાય.
Hi.
Oh my God, you are like so much younger version of your dad.
I get that a lot nowadays.
So सबसे पहले thank you very much and welcome to Midday Gujarati.
You're welcome. Thanks for
कैसे हो?
having me. बहुत अच्छा हूँ. अभी वर्कआउट करके आया हूँ तो फ्रेश फील हो रहा है.
Oh my God. I'm sure यहाँ पे जितनी भी लड़कियां जुड़ रही हैं, they are having bright ideas about this. So एक सवाल जो मैं मेरे सारे मेहमानों को पूछती हूँ, मैं तुमसे भी पूछूंगी कि लॉकडाउन कैसा रहा तुम्हारे लिए? क्या किया
लॉकडाउन मेरे लिए थोड़ा इन पार्ट्स बोरिंग रहा, बट मैंने एक और म्यूजिक वीडियो शूट किया है. कुछ शूटिंग की मैंने. सो बस चल रहा है, थोड़ा काम कर रहा हूँ, थोड़ा वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ, तो बिजी रह रहा हूँ मैं.
क्रिश, हम सबसे पहले जीऊं कैसे की बात करते हैं, फिर हम बात करते हैं कि भाई आप इतने मतलब इंटरनेट सेंसेशन जो आप बन चुके हैं, उसके बारे में हम उसका थोड़ा डाइसेक्शन करेंगे कि क्या कमाल किया आपने, अदर देन लुकिंग सो गुड. सो जीऊं कैसे की बात करते हैं.
अभी मेरा एक म्यूजिक वीडियो है जिसका नाम जीव कैसे है, एंड इट्स अ हार्ट ब्रेक लव स्टोरी सॉन्ग. एंड इट्स वन ऑफ अ काइंड बिकॉज हमने एक म्यूजिक वीडियो सोच के ये शूट नहीं किया, हमने एक मूवी सोच के शूट किया है. 4 मिनट के अंदर वी गेव यू अ होल मूवी इन इट. सो इट्स बीन गुड, वी हैव गॉट गुड रिस्पॉन्स. 1 मिलियन प्लस हो गए हम लोग अभी. सो आई होप कि people are liking it, people are liking my work.
कैसी थी वो फीलिंग पहली बार कैमरा फेस करने की, कि बचपन से मतलब मिरर के सामने एक्टिंग खेल रहे थे?
जी नहीं, ये है कि मुझे कभी पहले एक्टिंग में नहीं आना था बचपन में. I was in a military school, so I wanted to become an Air Force pilot. So I was in a military school, I did, but then things didn't turn out very well for me over there. And then फिर मैं बॉम्बे आया, and then I joined mass media over here. And in school also I would do a lot of this cultural activities, skits in the military school also.
Okay.
But then I came to Bombay and my mass media graduation happened, and then it hit me like I was just going to try acting. I was a very fat kid. Like I was very heavy.
Oh.
I was 105 at point of time when I was in so it was key. I need to work on myself, my acting skills. So मैं US गया अपने अंकल के वहाँ पर. मैंने वहाँ पर काम किया, like petty jobs I did just to survive over there 6 months, and I used to train over there also. So like morning 4 o'clock get up, sleep at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So pura 6 months, 24/7, 7 days a week I did that only. Came back to Bombay, and जीऊं कैसे से पहले मैंने एक शो किया है निखिल अडवाणी सर के साथ, जिसका नाम POW बंदी युद्ध के, जो स्टार प्लस पे ही आता था. So that was my first audition. That was my first audition I gave in my life. So and things turned out very well that time only for me. But yeah, then after POW I was like, जैसे हर एक्टर का एक स्ट्रगल होता है, like एक ब्रेक मिल गया, but the second you have to prove in the second. So after that I gave a lot of auditions. Some worked, some didn't work. I did some commercial ads for Lay's, Pepsi. And then Jiu Kaise happened because Jiu Kaise's producer was a very good friend of mine. We connected through Whistling Woods only. I was an assistant also in serials like Parvarish, and with my dad also in his production. But so we became friends over there. He was in a Whistling Woods का production सीख रहा था. So one day he came up to me and he told me I'm opening up a production house and I want to start with this song I have. He had a Kashmiri new singer, Soeb. So he made me hear the song. And when I heard the song and I was like, I want to do this. Because I heard it, I fell in love with it. And then he told me, ki, let's do this. And then we got everyone on board. We did with the scripting. I was in the scripting also. We plotted the whole story, whole location. Recce ke liye jata tha main uske saath. And we got all the location. We got the actresses also on board. They also my good friend. And I saw them like, ki, this is a song for you. And they heard it and they were also on board. So it was a team effort. Everyone was involved in it. So this is like my baby project. We all created this. So and then it released and now the results out.
Wow, this is wonderful. Lovely to know. I was just reading about you. You had said somewhere that nepotism is everywhere. This is not a question that I want to ask you, और it's absolutely up to you. तुम्हें इस सवाल के बारे में या इस मुद्दे के बारे में बात करनी है या नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि मैं भी शायद जो सारे लोग सोचते हैं उससे मैं अलग ही सोचती हूँ नेपोटिज्म के बारे में, क्योंकि कल उठ के अगर इफ आई बिकम अ सुपरस्टार, अगर मेरे बच्चे को मैं लॉन्च करूंगी तो आई डोंट थिंक सो आई एम डूइंग अ सिन. हाँ, मैं किसी अच्छे के टैलेंट को काट कर किसी को पुश कर रही हूँ तो यस मैं गलत हूँ. तुम्हारा क्या कहना है इस बारे में?
मेरा ये कहना है अबाउट नेपोटिज्म इज इट्स एवरीवेयर. इट्स नॉट ओनली इन बॉलीवुड. इट्स नॉट कि ऐसा, इट्स हर घर में है. बिकॉज अगर एक बच्चा अपने पेरेंट जैसा वो जॉब में वो फील्ड में जाना चाहता है एंड द पेरेंट वो विल हेल्प यू. इट इज नॉट कि दिस वर्ड आई फील इट्स गॉन ओवररेटेड नाउ कि बहुत हो गया. हाँ, नो डाउट आई फील कि टैलेंट एंड आई फील कि टैलेंट कैसे भी हो नहीं भी हो बट आ जाता है. लाइक पीपल कैन सी द टैलेंट ऑलवेज विन्स. If you see star kids also, there are some star kids who did some movies who didn't work. Thought,
yeah, exactly.
This is not my field. They got into production. They did something else. And talent जिसके पास है आज है, like see Ranbir Kapoor is a well-known star. He's known as a star kid.
Of course.
See the talent he has.
And he has talent.
Ayushmann.
Still his films have flopped. Still people have disliked his films.
Yeah, but he has done a fantastic job. I don't think so anyone can do Sanju like him. And even see Ayushmann Khurrana, he's not a star kid, he's not fun, but he's talented.
He's done so well. True.
Exactly. So I feel this nepotism is just
overrated.
बहुत overrated हो गया.
I will not say कि it's absolutely नहीं ही होता है, लेकिन उसको जितना बड़ा चढ़ा के बोला जा रहा है शायद.
हाँ, नेपोटिज्म होता है. It's there everywhere.
So अच्छा, अभी of course बहुत सारे लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, बहुत सारा प्यार मिल रहा है आपको. So हम ये बात करते हैं कि आप ये इंटरनेट सेंसेशन जो बन गए, उसका क्या रीजन लगता है आपको?
इंटरनेट सेंसेशन, see I feel कि like मेरे लिए तो ये like I was shocked one day I got up and I was like इतने articles इतने ये आ रहे, मेरे followers बढ़ रहे हैं and I was like ये क्या हो गया. Then I went to the net. Then dad also told me कि this has happened. Some people have taken out pictures and I was like ये सब बहुत new है मेरे लिए and I'm like I don't know how to handle this. So then dad told me कि no, it's good. But then after that एक point के बाद habit हो गई. Like I saw the love, then I gave the love back, and I'm loving the attention now.
Of course, who doesn't like it?
Yeah.
अच्छा, तो एक तो ये बात है कि सबने लॉकडाउन में रामायण देखी है. तुमने देखी?
जी, मैंने कुछ एपिसोड्स देखे बिकॉज मैंने बचपन में तो देखा है मैंने बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स देखना पड़ा था. बट
देखना पड़ा था. अच्छा
नहीं, बट बिकॉज बचपन में इतना ये था नहीं. आई वाज लाइक आई वांट गो प्ले खेलना है मुझे. आई वाज नॉट मच इनटू टीवी एंड ऑल. लाइक देखता इतना था नहीं. सो बट देखा तब. देन आई एक थोड़े टाइम देखने लगा तो आई गॉट इंटरेस्टेड. तो मैं खुद ही जाके बैठता था. वहां पर देखता था. एंड उसके बाद लाइक बहुत कुछ सीखने भी मिला बिकॉज मेरे को इतना सीखा नहीं, मतलब पता नहीं था मुझे, तो आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज अबाउट इट. एंड एक पिक्चराइजेशन ना एक दिमाग में होगा कि ऐसा यही है, जो हुआ है यही हुआ है. वी हैव दैट थिंग इन माइंड. सो या
सो ऑफ कोर्स जनता मुझे माफ नहीं करेगी अगर मैं आपके डैडी के बारे में बात ना करूं तो विल किल मी. सो व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट दिस होल थिंग कि उनको इतना फीमेल अटेंशन मिल रहा है? आई थिंक उनको जितनी लड़कियां प्यार करती उतनी लड़कियां तुम्हें भी प्यार करती, वो सारा प्यार ट्रांसफर भी हो रहा है इधर.
मुझे डीएम्स आते हैं कि आई लव योर डैड, आई लव हिम सो मच. एंड आई एम लाइक ओके, तो मैं क्या बोलूं इसमें?
थैंक
I
यू
have
आंटी,
nothing
दैट्स
to,
व्हाट यू
I
मस्ट
have
बी
nothing,
सेइंग.
I have nothing to say. I like okay, ठीक है, मतलब okay, मेरे को क्यों डीएम कर रहे हो? डीएम हिम. So, but I'm liking like of course the thing he's done, like the work he's done. It's very like it's very lucky that I have a dad who can guide me also in that way. Like my mom and dad both are. I'm very lucky to have both parents, such great parents in my life. Both are very supportive. My mom supports me every time. My dad gives me all the knowledge, tells me how to handle it. So, but the thing is, he never interferes in any this. If I go and take a suggestion, he'll tell me कि ये है pros and cons. It's up to you. And he's never interfered and he never told me anything. So I'm like, it's your journey. He told me your journey. तो जी देखो जैसे सही डिसीजन है गलत है, you have to face it.
वेरी वेरी नाइस. अच्छे बच्चे की तरह तुमने ऐसे जवाब दे दिया. गुड बॉय. बट पहले के जमाने की जो फिल्में थी बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक और थोड़ा मतलब शायद हम लोग रिलेट ना भी कर पाए. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है, ऐसा हमें हो जाता है. कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि डैड को बोले कि आप ऐसा सीन थोड़ी ना करते हैं, मतलब ऐसा क्यों किया था आपने? ऐसी कभी हिम्मत हुई है?
एक रामायण में एक सीन है. So there is a scene where someone is इतना डिटेल नहीं पता है तो थोड़ा bear with me. He gives a comeback in it. अगर आपको my dad gives a लक्ष्मण gives a comeback, अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं है तो आप मत देखिए. And I was like, ये क्या डायलॉग है? ये रामायण में ये डायलॉग. And I saw memes and I loved the memes on it. It was so funny. मैंने कितने stories भी डाले थे वो meme के. And the way he said it also, it was great.
अच्छा
So yeah, there are scenes I see sometimes कि there are like, but then I'm like कि पुराने जमाने में भी ऐसा होता है because we have advanced now a bit.
Of course, things have
Technology
changed.
and all. Yeah.
हमें ड्रामा
But
चाहिए
I-
लेकिन रियलिस्टिक ड्रामा चाहिए. हाँ.
Yeah. But I always love old movies a lot. Like I feel the 90s should come back. मेरे हिसाब से the 90s should be best movies. Like of course I like movies like on Netflix like about social issues and all.
Whatever.
But I love, you can enjoy a 90s movie if you want to get a light-headed movie, and it's fun. It's total fun.
It's entertainment in true sense, like
Yeah.
110%.
Full
पैसा
masala.
वसूल.
Full masala.
पैसा वसूल.
Yeah.
Say hi to Pinky because उसने बहुत पहले कमेंट कर दिया था.
Oh, and see. Oh, yeah. Hi, Pinky. How are you? Thank you so much for the love.
Say hi to Sheetal and Darshika and Shilpa because they are my colleagues and they are very much here to look at you.
Sheetal,
Shilpa and Darshika.
Sheetal, Shilpa, and Darshika.
Darshika.
Yeah. Hi. How are you? I hope you are liking the live. Yeah, I don't go much live that much. That's why.
Yes. I have noticed that. So we were quite happy जब आपने कहा कि yes ये करते हैं. तो so
Because I was like मैं अभी आया हूँ, मतलब I of course I used to do a lot of posting, but I never did live before the music video.
okay.
And I hope people are liking the music video. Please go watch it if you haven't.
1 million plus views है भाई. I'm sure they are loving it.
But
Sure.
I have a next music video also, which people I guess are going to love because that's a different this. That's no serious acting, nothing. That's a full buddy song and comedy है उसमें. So I hope people, it's for the youth only, for आज के youth के लिए.
So someone is asking, where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? ये बहुत ही corporate interview प्रकार का सवाल है, लेकिन क्या
5 years.
मतलब एक थोड़ा सा कुछ रोड मैप बनाया है मन में?
Like, see, I am a person who जाता है with the flow, but 5 years from now, I am hoping कि I am a bit more closer to the goal of being the best actor in the country, one of the best actor in the country.
So what all do you watch? क्योंकि आपने कहा कि 90s की फिल्में आप मिस करते हैं, लेकिन सी हर एक्टर के लिए एक चीज बहुत जरूरी होती है कि आप you watch all sorts of cinema क्योंकि आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं. ऐसी कौन सी फिल्में हैं जिनका आप पर बहुत अच्छा deep impact रहा है?
The deep impact, I feel movies like not Bollywood has of course done it, but Hollywood movies also have done a lot of good impact on me because I am a huge Al Pacino fan. I love Al Pacino. So I have seen all his movies, and Scarface is one of my favorites. Scarface, Casino, The Godfather. So I am that kind of a person who watches a lot of crime movies also, because I love dark gangster roles. I like how they portray. You have to have एक mannerism होता है उसमें for becoming a gangster role in a gangster role.
Yes.
So I love that, and in this also Vastav. I love the movie Vastav in Bollywood also. Hindi movies mein I love Vastav and Kaante. Kaante is also one of my favorite. I love movies like that. And 90s, I also love David Dhawan movies a lot. Like मैं तो
डांस वाले गाने कहाँ से मिलते हैं यार? वो मूवीज नहीं होती तो.
वो movie, and I seriously in life want to do a full on David Dhawan movie. Like full, like उसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि क्या हो रहा है. It is not कि क्या हो रहा है. It is good comedy in it.
Absolutely, it's not vague or it's not random or
random. It's situational comedy.
So ये जो फिल्में हैं हम जो आपको बहुत पसंद आती है, but when you see, I can see a lot of people are saying you are very cute and you are very handsome and ये और वो, लेकिन do you want to see yourself कि नहीं मुझे ऐसे roles करने हैं? Are you fixated about?
No. I want to do 1 or 2 or maybe 3 these kind of movies. ऐसे मतलब a few, but more of them I'm inclined towards dark content oriented cinema. जैसे आजकल web series आ रही है. I'm very much interested in doing some web series like Breathe, Patal Lok, something. I just want to be a part of something so good. Yeah. So I would of course want to do, any actor in Bollywood would want to do a masala movie. Any actor, kitna bhi bole, everyone wants to do it.
Everybody wants to.
Because that's in your blood. You're an Indian, that's in your blood.
It doesn't go on. True.
Yeah. But I love doing serious movies. If you see Jiyun Kaise also, I chose this song because it had some serious, good acting, like
emotion. Yes.
Yeah, emotions and all. I like doing roles like that. So I would love to do a movie or a web series like that.
So आपको कभी किसी लड़की को बोलना पड़ा है कि तेरे बगैर जीऊं कैसे?
अभी तो लाइफ में ऐसा आया नहीं है, because अब ये तो बोलना पड़ता है ना, because
On good friends, not attached.
We're just good friends. I don't have anyone. I'm very much single.
Who is your role model when it comes to acting?
The acting, as acting, I do love, like, role model. I don't have any role model as such.
One person, but
yeah. But I look up to people like Ranveer Singh, Shah Rukh, and of course Al Pacino. I look up to him. Still now I do. And I am a huge Salman fan also. I'm a huge
That
Salman bhai fan हूँ मैं. Like
so you
whatever movie it is, I go watch.
wow.
I go
So
watch it.
you want to go to Big Boss house also?
No,
If
no,
it
no, no.
has
I don't. I can never do reality shows. I can never do reality shows. एक
okay.
दो साल पहले आए थे मुझे offers for some reality shows. I
Okay.
don't like कोई youth reality shows, but मैंने बोला no, I can never do this. मैं acting कर सकता हूँ, but reality show I cannot. Like I can't be fake. As an actor, I can be in the character, but I cannot pretend
Yeah,
myself to be
but
fake.
reality show is a different level of fakeness. So, हाँ.
Yeah. So, no to
Yes.
realities.
So, आपके पापा ने भी जो काम किया है, ऐसी चीजें जो उन्होंने आपको कही है और आपके लिए बहुत अहमियत रखती हैं, क्योंकि you are now getting into
Yeah,
acting and you are
acting.
doing stuff professionally. तो कुछ चीजें होंगी जो घर से ही सीखने मिली हैं. ऐसी कौन सी बातें हैं जो उन्होंने आपको कही और बहुत मायने रखती हैं आपके लिए?
जी डैड ने मुझे हर बार बोला है कि ऑलवेज बी हम्बल एंड ऑलवेज बी वेरी क्रिएटिव ऑल्सो इन योर लाइफ. कि he told me be creative, think a lot about what you're doing in life, and always respect people. So because once you to gain respect, you need to give respect. It's a give and take relation. So he's always told me that, and he always told me whatever role you're getting and you're doing whatever role, just give it 200%. Bhale you are not feeling doing it, you're not getting into the character, but still जितना you can do it now, give your 200%. So वही मैं भी लाइफ में कर रहा हूँ, सीख रहा हूँ धीरे धीरे. रोज तो मिलता है मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा लेक्चर्स,
थोड़ा थोड़ा लेक्चर रोज मिलता है.
रोज मिलता है.
हमने जब बात शुरू की तो हमने थोड़ी सी इसके बारे में बात की कि बहुत सारे लोग तुम्हें भी डीएम कर देते हैं that they love your dad. तो see, you are in an age where you are going to have breakups and makeups and everything, girlfriends and no girlfriend and just friends वाला phase, but your dad is getting so much female attention. So कभी बाप बेटे के बीच इस बात पर कोई मजाक हुई है कि क्या है यार, मेरी ज्यादा फैंस है तुम्हारी नहीं है, ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
I'm like so when we talk about it, I'm like ये यार मैं गुड लुकिंग हूँ, मैं अभी अभी तो हो गई यार, अब ये क्या है ये, आपको क्या रहा है? फील अ बिट जेलस समटाइम्स कि ओके ठीक है, बट मुझे भी अटेंशन चाहिए ऐसी. सो ऐसा होता है, कभी कभी मजाक करते रहते हैं हम लोग अबाउट इट, बट देन इट्स अ प्रोसेस होता है सब जगह.
So, of course, acting, yes, or you also said that you have trained yourself into acting as well, right? So, acting process में as an actor, जो अभी अभी you're just beginning, जो चीजें एक process के तौर पे तुम्हारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है before you face the camera, वो क्या है?
See, the process is always to get into the character, because are given a character. हम किसको देख के पोर्ट्रे ये करते नहीं. We have to create our own character sketch from the synopsis we have got about the character. So you have to feel every emotion he is. So that's what I do. I feel कि if it's a heartbreak, कि and people, even of course not in love only, there are a lot of heartbreaks in life. So you recollect that moment in your life, and it's like you have to connect with every emotions, every emotions में कि तुम्हें ऐसा क्या लगेगा, ये अगर तुम्हारे साथ हुआ तो ये ऐसा क्या लगेगा तुम्हें. So I portray that, I get into the whole character, and sometimes I carve the character also. I put some mannerism to it, and I put some more different emotions, and so that's a whole process that depends on the character what I get. And before that, I do a lot of research about a specific character. कि अगर कोई heartbreak is, so what are the heartbreaks going on, if any. I'm given a character about अभी मेरी एक short film आ रही है, so next to next month I guess. So that I'm playing a director in that.
Okay,
So
interesting.
yeah, it's a base of college students, but I'm playing a director. So how a director is commanding. I see a lot of direct interviews of directors. How are they talking, their manners and everything. So वैसे ही थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर देखता हूँ और अपने हिसाब से कार्व करता हूँ उसको.
So while you were saying, मैं नाम लिख रही थी यहाँ पे क्योंकि फिर से कुछ फरमाइशें आ गई थी और आपको सवाल किए जा रहे हैं कि एक सवाल बहुत बार कि व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट कलर?
My color, my favorite color is black and white.
ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, नो ग्रे?
Yeah. No, I also have this कि I can never do gray. I feel very uncomfortable with gray.
ओके.
I don't know why, and you will never see wearing any other color sneakers or shoes or even sandals or slippers which is a different color than white.
ओके.
I only wear white footwear. But I don't know why, because I feel very uncomfortable with other colors. Of course, in formals, I do wear black. But with sneakers and casual shoes, I can never. So white and black are my favorite colors.
फेवरेट कलर.
Yes.
भाई आपको जवाब सुन लिया आपने उनका. टीनेजर्स के लिए आपकी एडवाइस क्या है? ये मेरे सवाल नहीं है, ये यहाँ से पढ़ के आपको पूछ रहे हैं.
मेरी एडवाइस है कि complete your studies and don't do drugs.
ओके,
बस.
सुन लिया. और लॉकडाउन में बाहर भी मत निकलना.
हाँ, और लॉकडाउन में तो बाहर
सिगरेट
निकलना
लेने के लिए बाहर मत जाना.
नहीं.
नहीं.
और फैल रहा है और फैलाओ मत. जियो
भाई
कैसे
नया एल्बम कब आ रहा है ऐसा भी पूछा जा रहा है.
ये
नए प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में आप बता दो डिटेल में तो उनको जरा सुकून मिल जाए.
So मेरा my next is a music video which is totally different, comedy light है. It's not heavy like Jiu Kaise, which is going to come out next month, very soon. So please थोड़ा सा सब्र करो. And after that, next to next month एक और short film आने वाली है मेरी with the same producers of Jiu Kaise. And जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है वो Hotstar पे आएगी because it's a Whistling Woods collaboration with Hotstar. So क्या अभी तक तो 3 ही है and कुछ होगा तो of course I'll be updating everyone.
Nice. So जो भी काम किए हैं, of course it's not like you just started. जो भी एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अभी पिछले 1.5-2 सालों में, कोई बहुत ही मेमोरेबल इंसिडेंट हुआ है?
Of course, जब when I was doing POW बंदी युद्ध के, so it was my first project with Nikhil Advani sir. Like he is one of the best. He's my one of the favorite directors and favorite movie के director Kalona and D-Day. So I was a bit nervous, like, and I had Sandhya Mridul also and Satyadeep, Purab Kohli, Amrita Puri. So we had the first reading in the office of MA.
Okay.
And मेरी तो like I was scared. मतलब पहली बार ऐसा, like I have always looked up to them, like they're acting and such good actors. And I felt nervous हो रहा हूँ. जैसे ही मैंने enter किया थोड़ा trip पे जैसा हो गया था, nervous हो रहा था. हाँ ऐसे I was not saying anything. I was like very nervous and all. Then Sandhya Mridul had come and she made me very comfortable. She came up to me and she told me, and I was like, मैं ऐसा था कि ये क्या हो रहा है. मतलब what you see, like actors, you get a bit nervous with big actors like this. So and I felt that she's my friend. And on the sets also, we used to chill as friends.
Wow.
She was like my mother and me have a relation like a best friend kind of relation.
Buddies.
Yeah, buddies. I felt that with Sandhya Midul also, and we used to chill so much. And after that, so now I'm a fan of Sandhya after that. And there were so many incidents when we used to shoot. We used to shoot, ऐसा लगता नहीं था कि we are shooting. We were having fun. Like वो fun में ही वो create हो जाता था scene. So it was a very fun and exciting shoot for me, and I learned a lot from sir also, Nikhil sir. when I used to know मेरा shot नहीं होता था, I used to be on the set, look at the camera angles and everything. I've learned a lot also from him. And मैं हर बार जैसे तरसता था कि सर कुछ अच्छा बोल दो मेरे बारे में, but he did say, but वो कभी बोलते नहीं थे मुझे. He used to say Sandhya and all. So it was fun. I loved, and I made good friends also with Kashvi over there, who was the second director, Kashvi and Nikhil Gonzalez. So they are still my good friends only. We used to chill, party after shoots also. So I had a good relations with them now.
गुड रेफर, ग्रेट ग्रेट, दैट्स वंडरफुल. सो फिर से लिस्ट आ रही है. मैं एक्चुअली पेन लेकर बैठी हूँ. आई एम नोटिंग डाउन द नेम्स.
शेड मेरे को भी करना चाहिए ये.
नहीं, अरे यार तुम गेस्ट हो, तुम तो बात कर रहे हो ना, तो मैं व्हाइल यू आर टॉकिंग आई फील बैड कि मैं आई कांटेक्ट छोड़ के यहाँ ये लिखने बैठ जाती हूँ. बट देन समटाइम्स आई हैव टू डू दिस.
You have to, हाँ. Please.
या हाउ डू यू लुक एट लक्ष्मण जी's कैरेक्टर? बोलो भाई, चलो जवाब.
That is तो a character every actor would want to play. Even I, अगर मुझे मिलता है एक रोल ऐसा, of course I will jump into it. इतने shades है to play. As an actor you can grow so much, you can learn so much. So I would to jump in. मैं तो बोलूँगा पैसे भी नहीं ले रहा हूँ मैं, कर दे दो मुझे.
दे दो भाई, कोई रामायण का
नहीं पैसे लूँगा मैं.
तो प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट हिम. सो समवन इज कॉलिंग यू क्यूटी पाई. अब जो जिसने क्यूटी पाई बोला है उसका नाम है संजना. तो संजना को हाय बोल दो, मैंने लिखा है नाम यहाँ पर.
Hi Sanjana, you're a cutie pie too.
Then Anubhav.
Anubhav, hi Anubhav, what's up?
Then Manya, Sangeeta, Akanksha,
Manya, Sangeeta and Akansha, hi.
Sushri and Charchit.
Charchit and
Sushri.
Sushri. Sushri. And I would like.
हो गया, आप सबके नाम हो गए.
Okay. So I have this question. What would you like to do other than
acting? Yeah.
Yeah. So other than acting, I would be a cook maybe, or be a agriculture, like grow plants and do, because I love cooking. I love food and I love growing plants. And abhi to nahi, but next I'll put up a story or something about the plants I'm growing when they grow, celery and all. So yeah, I'm doing that also. Lockdown में कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा हूँ. But if not acting, पक्का शेफ तो बन जाता मैं.
क्या बहुत अच्छे से बना लेते हो और क्या खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है?
See, मेरी favorite dish है butter chicken. I love butter chicken. So अभी I have mastered it. पहले तो बनाता था but बहुत गंदा बनाता था. No one could eat it. But now I have mastered it. इतने लॉकडाउन में ना सिर्फ वो बनाते वो मैंने मास्टर कर लिया है. तो एनी टाइम बटर चिकन एंड फॉर वेजिटेरियन द सेम पनीर बटर मसाला. सो या ये दो मेरे को बहुत अच्छे से आते हैं.
अच्छे से बनाते भी और अच्छा पसंद भी है. लाइक इट्स योर फेवरेट फूड आल्सो.
माय फेवरेट फूड आल्सो.
So भाई आपको,
but I make a lot of burgers, like different kinds of burgers. Gourmet burgers, yeah. Someone is asking me to be a fitness trainer. Why? Like because I put a lot of stories about working out.
Yeah, that's true. But why should he be fitness trainer? ना आप सब नहीं देख
पाएंगे. मैं सिर्फ अपना फिटनेस पे रहता हूँ कि वेट नहीं बढ़े बस. I'm not a person जिसके abs आए. मतलब मैंने पहले बनाए थे when I was doing my transformation, but then abs is not my scene. Like वो I'm a foodie. I can't make that abs, but I can maintain my self.
आपको इसका भी जवाब मिल गया. So I think let's talk about some of your personal choices. Chai person or a coffee person?
I'm a coffee person. I like morning get up coffee. ये workout के पहले coffee. I can drink coffee.
Workout के पहले वाला कॉफी तो जरूरी है.
वो तो है. मतलब but I drink a lot of coffee.
But black coffee
नहीं पीना चाहिए. Depends. Black coffee in the morning, but milk one जैसे वर्कआउट करने का मन नहीं किया या फिर ऐसे ही बैठा in the evening, a coffee. Like when I have no motivation to work out, and then I have milk वाली coffee. So it's heavy, na?
Yeah, it's heavy. True. So who is your crush? मतलब lot of people are crushing on you, लेकिन आपका crush कौन है?
मेरा क्रश मेगन फॉक्स.
Ah, wow.
दैट प्यार है. एंड नाउ सुष्मिता सेन. हाँ, प्यार है मुझे.
Yeah.
आर्या, आई लव्ड इट.
Yes.
Killed it.
Amazing. It's really nice. It's really
I always used to love Sushmita Sen, but now I've fallen in love all over again.
कोई किसी को भी जब भी आप मिलते हो या when you interact with someone, कौन सी चीज है जो पहले आपका ध्यान खींचती है?
The way she or a person, he, like, anyway, like, I mean, person wise I'm saying.
कि यार कम ऑन, हम लड़कियों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना.
अच्छा, ठीक है. तो फिर I see the personality, like, एक होता है ना, like, you come to know and it's like, wow, what a personality. However, like, whatever, this is the first thing I look at, the personality and how the person carries herself.
और
Yeah. Yeah.
एंड ऐसी कौन सी चीज है, कई बार you just don't like that, like कुछ traits अगर किसी में होंगे तो you will prefer कि नहीं.
The turn-offs you're talking about, the turn-offs.
Turn-offs, yeah.
See, the turn-offs is unhygienic. When a person is unhygienic, I'm like, no. And it's body odor for me. Because these two things, it's a big turn-off for me.
And what kind of music do you like to listen to?
I love music, like mellow music. Pratik Kuhar types. Pratik Kuhar, Kenny Rogers. And also, I love techno.
Oh.
But वो situation पे depend होता है.
Of
It
course.
depends on the situation. हाँ.
So what would be an ideal date for you?
Ideal date, ये तो बहुत tough है यार. मेरे को खुश करना तो बहुत tough है. नहीं, मजाक कर.
मुझे खुश करना बहुत tough है. Okay.
नहीं, but
लड़कियों अपने.
नहीं, अरे नहीं, I'm just kidding. The thing is, I don't have an ideal date. I'm a very simple, basic kind of person.
Pisces बेचारे भले ही होते हैं.
हाँ, like, as long as company अच्छी है ना, मजा आ रहा है, वो कहीं पे भी हो, like घर पे हो या कोई रेस्टोरेंट में हो या कहीं पे भी, I don't care about that, but the company should be, बोर नहीं होना चाहिए.
बोर मत करना वरना बात
बस. हाँ.
So where do you when we talk of travel destination, कैसी जगहों पे घूमना तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है?
I love cold regions, like Manali, Switzerland. Cold regions, like जहाँ
Cold
ठंड हो.
regions and maybe hilly areas are your choice.
Yeah.
Heights.
पहाड़ी हूँ ना मैं.
स्टडी में आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट क्या था? मैंने नहीं पूछा, ये किसी और ने पूछा है. कुछ नहीं.
मैं फुटबॉल खेलता था. मैं स्पोर्ट्स कोटा में अच्छा मेरे को मिलते थे. I had a good sports, state level, national level जा चुका हूँ मैं in football. So
that's great.
I was a good sportsman, but पढ़ाई में बहुत एवरेज था मैं. बस पास हो जाता था बस.
पास हो जाता था. पढ़ाई कंप्लीट भी की है. ओके, अब सुन लो सब.
Of course, please, ग्रेजुएट हूँ मैं.
Which is important, very important.
Very important.
Do you sing sometimes? Again, somebody has asked.
Yeah, so this सबको ये हुई है, misunderstanding हुई है कि I sing. I am very bad at singing. If you hear me singing now, you'll stop this live and I'll get a lot of all the people will stop following me only. Because I cannot sing. I had put up a story, that was my best friend singing. He's a very good singer. So I can never sing.
स्वाति वो नहीं गाते हैं तो हम उनको
मैं लिप सिंक बहुत अच्छे से कर सकता हूँ.
Do you love dancing?
I love dancing. I'm a professional trained dancer also. And I've done Shamak Davar Academy and I've trained under Ganesh Acharya sir also. So yeah, dancing, I love dancing. I can dance very well.
Someone wants you to say something in Gujarati. Do you know anything in Gujarati other than કેમ છો?
મજામાં.
Okay,
No,
કેમ
no,
છો?
I do know, I do know. તમે તમે something यार, I have to figure it out. I'll be તમે ખાવાનું. અરે, I have a lot of Gujarati friends, so I have heard a lot.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but sorry यार, I can't. Like केम છો મજામાં?
बस हो गया केम छो मजामा, बस इतने में खुश हो जाओ भाई। वो इतना मतलब प्रेशर डाल रहे हो।
There is this friend of mine saying, say my name, Chris. His name is Chris.
You are a very good gymmer. Okay.
Jimmer, there's Jimmer.
There is no word like gymmer, sorry, but he doesn't
Jim,
go to gym. तो अभी
I
तो
do work out like when I was a fat kid. I used to train myself. Like, of course, online देखता था, but I never had a trainer. So ये करते करते ही मैंने सीखा थोड़ा कि क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं. So I have the knowledge about it, but मेरे को trainer नहीं बनना है. Like I cannot be. I can train myself. I can't train anyone else.
खुद के लिए कर लेते हैं। ब्लैक कॉफी पी के बहुत है।
बहुत है.
So, अच्छा, ओके, आई थिंक आई आस्क्ड यू छुटमुट। मेरे मेरे तो बहुत सारे सवाल थे, but लोगों के भी बहुत सारे सवाल हमने लिए। बट ऐसी कोई चीज जो तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं, और यू वुड लाइक टू से समथिंग लाइक things that you do and not many people know about it. If you want to share something.
See, some things I don't want people to, because I don't like showing, like, because there are some things you don't want to, like, because I don't want people saying कि तू show off कर रहा है वगैरह. So I won't say that, but I would of course say कि people, a lot of people I meet also, they have this idea that I'm very rude. I come out as very rude, where I don't think that. I am a very shy person. I'm a very shy person. So I cannot, like, I have a big fear of rejection also. So I feel very and I'm into acting. So that's ironic. So, but I am a very shy person, and I cannot go and सामने से talk to someone. But I'm working on it. अभी तो मैं थोड़ा ठीक हो रहा हूँ. And I had a lot of problems also in my life. I had a lot of speech problem, and like I could very थोड़ा stammer भी करता था. So that I have worked. बचपन से I have worked a lot about like on it. So अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा I'm हो रहा हूँ अभी तो. If you see, थोड़ा it's a vast improvement right now.
No one can make out that you ever had a
Yeah, because
wow.
पहले
Commanded.
I had a lot of this कि I couldn't talk and I slur करता था कभी कभी. So I've worked. So that's the thing. Like a lot of people don't know about me. So वो एक चीज है.
What if you get to work with your dad once on screen?
See, of course, I would love to work.
I love that expression. I read your mind.
I would love to work with him, of course, but I would feel कि उनके सामने साथ में screen share करना would be very difficult for me to cope up with it, to cope up with his talent and the skills he has. So, of course, I would love to work with him, no doubt. But then that depends. I am a person की script अच्छी हो.
आप दिल्ली कब आएंगे भाई? लॉकडाउन खुलेगा तब वो आप जहाँ बुलाएंगे वहाँ
यार सीरियसली मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स मुझे वहाँ बुला रहे, बट लॉकडाउन. I have a lot of friends in Delhi. Like my best friend is also from Delhi, so उसका भी पूरा ग्रुप है. So I love chilling in Delhi. Good people. Delhi. I love Delhi people also.
एंड विंटर्स में ज्यादा मजा आता है वो पराठे खाना है.
मेरा the food. ओहो, मैं दिल्ली सिर्फ उसके लिए जाता हूँ. Like I go partying and all, but सिर्फ food. I eat a lot of food over there. मैं सिर्फ weight बढ़ा के आता हूँ वहाँ से एक हफ्ते में. So, but I'll be soon coming to Delhi for sure.
things that you would want to tell people before I let you go. ऐसी चीज जो आप नए लोगों को कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि क्या हो गया है ना कि डिजिटल मीडिया की वजह से ऑफकोर्स लोग ज्यादा अपने आप को दिखा भी रहे हैं लोगों को, लेकिन एक प्रेशर भी होता है सोशल मीडिया पर मेंटेन करने का एंड ऑल दैट. सो व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट दैट? Say a parting message to everyone who is here today.
See, I would just tell people कि don't lose yourself in this. कि इतना involved मत हो जाओ कि that अपनी your character, your personality, you don't leave that. Always think, be you. Always be you. Of course, make good content, but always don't fake it. Don't fake it and don't pretend. So that's not good for your this also. You would also feel very this pretentious. So I would tell people not to be pretentious in life. And also please go watch You Kaise.
So thank you very much Krish. बहुत मजा आया बात करने का.
Welcome.
और lot of fun. Thank
you so much. It was nice. It was nice. It was fun. मजा आया. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.